in a sob. Skirt to the whole thing done, I'll be back by tomorrow. 3T, be home soon, inshallah.
I feel like fitness has changed me physically, obviously, as well as mentally. It's helped me to become a stronger person, covered by just instilling values like determination, persistence, and just being more strict with myself and just always looking to get the best out of myself, because fitness is an endless journey. Like, there's always more ways to advance within that, so it can help you cross over into other aspects of life, like school, college, work, whatever it is. So yeah. Okay, my strengths and weaknesses in fitness, I'll say my strengths are probably just, I try to be quite a well-rounded athlete, so I try to do a lot of different types of training. Yeah, and I always look to get the best out of myself, so I feel like, yeah, I'm quite athletic in that respect. Weaknesses, I'd say probably my flexibility, like I'm not that flexible, so I'd like to improve on that. In life, I'm quite a calm person, I'm quite focused. I can deal with situations quite well, which I think is a strong strength to have. Weaknesses, lazy, I can be a bit lazy, so that's probably one of the main ones. Felt kind of clean.
Let's go! Ah! Yeah!
Okay, my training goals are just to keep progressing in every aspect. Like Hybrid, you can see, just got to plug the brand in there. Hybrid is about just being well-rounded in all aspects of strength and fitness, so obviously that crosses over into what I want to do, so I'm just trying to become the best athlete I can be in all aspects. Specific goals, I would like to get a back lever quite soon, expand on my leg strength and mobility, and yeah, those are the main immediate ones. Okay, social media, my Instagram is NoahDaniel_. My Twitter is NoahDaniel_, I think. My Snapchat is, I don't know what Snapchat is, Noah_Dan, I think, yeah. And also YouTube is Hybrid Noah, just type in Hybrid Noah on YouTube, and I'm trying to get a lot more videos out there, so yeah.